how to enable developer option on your Redmi device. So for that, you have to watch this video till the end and dive into the process. First of all, launch the setting app on your Redmi device. Once you are here, you have to go to your About phone. Once you are on your About phone section, you have to find and tap on the MIU version. You can see that here. So this option is usually located near the top of the screen or here. You can see that. So you have to tap on the MIUI version entry 7 times in the quick succession. You might be prompted to enter your phone pin or password if you have one set. After tapping here 7 times, here you can see that I'm already a developer. You see a message you are now a developer or you are already a developer here. And after that you have to go back to your setting menu. Scroll down and you will see the additional setting. Once you are on your additional setting, you will find the developer option. So once you are on your developer option, you can enable your developer option from here too. So I hope this video will be helpful for you. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.